Hey my creations fam, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on that post notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this box that I made for my previous greeting card video that I made. I promise you guys that I will be sharing it with you all, so I will be posting the link in the description box for you guys for the previous video that I posted with the greeting card. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, you're gonna need 2 pieces of cardstock for this project. The first piece of cardstock, which I call the base, gonna measure at 11.5 by 7.5 inches, and on the 7.5 inches you're gonna measure at 1 inch and 6.5 inches. On the 11.5 side you're gonna score at 1 inch and 8.5 and 9.5 inches. On the lid of the box you're gonna need a piece of cardstock that measure at 7.5 inches by 8.5 inches. On the 7.5 inches you're gonna measure at 1 inch and 6.5 inches, and on the 8.5 inches you're gonna score at 1 inch from the bottom. So right here I'm just cutting off all my edges, as y'all can see. So I went ahead and cut down this video to make it shorter, because I don't think y'all want to just watch me cutting off these edges of this box lid and bottom. So y'all will see the finished product after I'm done cutting these edges. So guys, these are the measurements that I wrote down on this piece of paper. For those who wish to see the measurements, this is the bottom portion of the box, and this side over here is the lid. So I finished cutting off those edges, and now I'm putting the box together, which I glue the bottom part first and then I glue the side. Push those flaps in that I cut off first. So this is what the box looks like after I'm done gluing it together. Y'all can always add designer papers, whatever decoration you want, but I decided that I want to keep it just as it is, simple white box. And I had this ribbon and I decided that I want to use it on it just to give it some more props and not just let it just plain like that. So I didn't add any designer series paper, but y'all can always decorate it, as I said before, however you wanted it. I added me some foam dots to close the lid. At the time when I did this video, I didn't have my closures that you saw in a previous video with my other gift box that I made that I got on Temu. So yes guys, this is how the box came out, and this is the Mother's Day card that I made. It was a special card because I don't really make these on a regular basis. So yes guys, I thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the friends and loved ones of my Willoz Creation YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in another video. Peace.